Welcome back to Samore Says Eat It. And today I have something sweet, something southern, and something homemade, baby. I didn't make it, but my girl over at Cooking With Gigi on YouTube made this delicious bread pudding. She calls it Thelma's bread pudding. And I'm here to taste it and let y'all know how good it is. Alright, so I got this bread pudding here, and let's go on and give it a try. Gigi knows she can cook, baby. Let me go in for another bite. It's moist. It's smooth. You know what this needs? Some of that good old-fashioned bluebell and a cup of coffee. I wish y'all could try some of this. And let me show y'all what she did. She gave me a whole pan of bread pudding. Now, you already know how the saying goes. When Samore says eat it, you should. And this Thelma's bread pudding, you definitely should.